Hi everyone, I'm really keen to share with you a great update to the InnerCircle membership area user interface that we've made just recently, and it's in regard to all of the resources. So all of our Academy courses, webinar replays, workshop videos, you name it, lesson plans, discounts, all those kinds of things are all now in the resource library. So if you're not familiar with the interface inside my InnerCircle, then this is a good little sneak peek as well. For those of you who are members, this is a feature that is now available to you. So using the resource library button in the top menu there, you can now see that we've got these categories down the left-hand side and also subjects. And you can tick these boxes to search for information on any of those topics or categories. So let's just check, for example, I know that webinar replays are really popular with our members. So if I click on webinars, then we can therefore see all the webinars and replays that we've got available. But if you'd like to go a little bit more granular, you could add a subject. So for example, let's just have a look at the business webinar replays that are available. And so we've got 5 of those at the moment, about marketing and websites and those kinds of things. Oh, I could turn that off again. Or maybe you'd like to know about the webinars we've got on group teaching. And by clicking the box, we can find that one really quickly as well. In the same way, instead of choosing one of the categories at the top, we could also choose a subject to start with and then see what resources are available on that subject. So for example, we could choose exams and performances and then find out what resources are available on that topic. So we've got a quick win video, we've got a section of the roadmap, I've got some downloads here, and we've got a chat with the fantastic Paul Harris where he was talking about that as a topic. We'll uncheck that. And for example, let's have a look in teaching beginners. Oh, you can also see here too the courses that we've got. So this is just the main resource library with no filters applied. And you can see here too the 3 courses that are coming up really soon. In fact, as I record this, we're just working on the Facebook course. So that's going to go up very soon towards the end of 2018, probably October. So while we're here, let's have a look at another popular topic, teaching beginners. You can see there are 14 different resources available on that topic. So we've got a number of webinars, we've got blueprints, we've got quick win videos, we've got expert chit chats, you name it, you can find it. And of course, you can now choose a category. So maybe you just want to know what courses are available for teaching beginners, so you can go in the other direction as well. So there you go, that's a look at, and we can just hit the reset filters if you'd like to clear the page completely. So that's a look at our brand new resource library. I'm super excited to have launched this for you because I know being able to find things easily is a really big help when we're all rushed for time, or you've got a student in your class or your studio and you need something right now. Of course, we also do have the search function here, so you can always type for something if you're looking for information on policies or whatever it is, chord teaching. You can quickly find things there as well. So we've now really got 2 different places that you can do your searching. I so hope this is helpful for people. And of course, if you're not yet an InnerCircle member and you'd like to get access to things like 27 videos for all the live workshops I've given around the world over the last few years, or the live coaching that we do with our members, our lesson plans, our expert chit chats with people like John Schmidt and as you saw before, Paul Harris, Christopher Norton, teaching videos, technology videos, videos of not just me teaching, but other expert teachers teaching. This is where you can get access to all of that. So I hope you'll join us if you haven't done so already. And of course, you can do that at timtopham.com/community.